Have you ever been to a steakhouse? You know, lots of steakhouses, lots of $50 steaks out there, but why is the experience so different at this $50 steakhouse as opposed to that $50 steakhouse? They both have the same equipment, they have the same grills, they may be using the same meat, but it's how they process, how they approach this process. And that's the same with us. We take a scientific and an engineering approach to the process. And you know what? Two companies can have the exact same equipment made by the same company right here in the United States, and yet the product comes out different. It's because their engineers think differently, it's because management style or ownership styles are differently, and heck, the employees may not even work in the same way. And that's why you have to be careful about buying the lowest price. What you want to buy is the total lowest cost. That includes the product, the material, the delivery, the process, how this integrates with your other products that you're making to make your completed part. Even how the finished product gets packed. You need to have that conversation, and we're going to prompt you to have that conversation early on about, do we need foam blocks between drain pans that we're packing? Do the parts need to be individually wrapped? These are the 12-foot drain pans that are packed up. They will finish the palletization and they'll be ready to ship. You notice the foam blocks on these. These parts are going to go in an LTL truck, so they have to be packed differently than if we sent a straight load. You can make the best part in the world, but if we can't get it to you ready to put into your unit to sell to your customer, we have failed and you didn't have what you need.
At C&K, the process is simple. We mold it, we cut it, and then we ship it.
Thermoforming is lighter with lower cost tooling, no fooling for corrosion-free, dent-free, crack-free parts. Made in the